Hello and welcome to the Fastex Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through verifying your account on Fastex Exchange. Completing verification unlocks full access to all Fastex Exchange services, ensuring a secure and seamless trading experience. To start, navigate to Account in the upper left corner. Click on it, then select Identity Verification. Fastex offers two verification levels: Level 1, Basic, and Level 2, Advanced. Each level has specific requirements along with corresponding deposit and withdrawal limits to various trading needs and ensure regulatory compliance. Let's begin with Level 1 verification. Here's what you need to provide: a government-issued ID for identity verification, a selfie to confirm your presence. For identity verification, you can use your passport or national ID card. To complete selfie verification, follow the on-screen instructions for the liveness check. Once all steps are complete, congratulations! Your Level 1 verification is done. The system will review your application in a few minutes. If you have any questions along the way, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with everything happening on Fastex Exchange. Thanks for watching.